Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Facebook offline conversions with HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Facebook Ads Manager account. Navigate to the business settings section by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. In the left sidebar, locate and click on Data Sources, then select Offline Events. Click on the Add button to create a new offline event set. Name your offline event set and provide a brief description. Next, click on the Create button to save the set. After creating the set, copy the offline event set ID for future use. Now, open a new tab and log into your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, navigate to the Integrations section by clicking on the Settings icon. In the left sidebar, select Connected Apps. Search for Facebook in the Apps section. Click on the Facebook integration to open its settings. Link your Facebook Ads account to HubSpot if you haven't done so already. Locate the option for offline conversions within the Facebook integration settings. Paste the offline event set ID that you previously copied into the designated field. Adjust the settings to match your desired conversion events. Save the integration settings to ensure they are applied. Now, return to Facebook Ads Manager. Create a new ad campaign or select an existing one to modify. As you set up your ad, navigate to the Conversion section. Choose the newly created offline event set as your conversion type. Finalize your ad setup and publish your campaign. Monitor the data in HubSpot to ensure that offline conversions are being tracked correctly. Review the performance of your ads to optimize for better results. Ensure that your offline conversion data is flowing smoothly between Facebook and HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.